To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Additional Settings. Tap on it. Here you will find the option, One-Handed Mode. Tap on it. Now simply tap the slider to enable this feature. Once enabled, you can activate one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. And the screen will shrink to small size, making it easier to use the device with one hand. You can use the smaller screen in the same way you would usually. You can use one-handed mode in any of your hand. To exit from one-handed mode, simply tap on the empty space outside the window. And you will be exit from the one-handed mode. So in this way, you can use one-handed mode on Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro.